Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a whiskey strawberry smash. Honey, when you pull this one out, you know you finna have a good time, okay? I'm also going to show you how to make this beautiful mint infused clear ice with the ice duo. This ice duo I'm currently using is a prototype. It has a little bit of damage from shipping, but that will totally be gone in the mass produced edition. Clear ice is so important when you're making a cocktail. It just gives a look of elegance, and you can certainly achieve that with the ice duo. The ice duo can make bullet ice in small or large. It can also make different types of clear ice with molds. I'll be showing you the sphere ones today. And it has an easy to use auto clean function. The day before I make my cocktails, I like to infuse my ice. So I am using this spearmint from my garden. Whenever you see mint in a cocktail recipe, they are typically talking about spearmint because the regular mint can sometimes give off a menthol flavor, and then baby, your cocktail gonna taste like cough syrup, and we don't want that. All right, so I'm gonna place my spearmint, but if you don't want to use spearmint, you could also use like lemon slices or lime slices. Oh my gosh, it would complement the strawberry really well, and you could infuse that too. And then I am going to match my molds. You will see that they have a plus and a minus. Those go together. And then the other two I am going to leave empty so you can see what the clear ice balls will look like if you don't infuse it. So now I'm going to place in my molds parallel to the machine, and then I'm going to fill in just regular tap water at least to the fill line. Any excess water will just fall into the bullet ice tank. I'm going to press the cube in the middle to start the clear ice function, and 12 to 16 hours later, we will come back and check out our clear ice. Now I'm going to show you how you can make some quick bullet ice. The bullet ice is perfect for soft drinks or lemonades, just when you want some ice in about 5 to 7 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up the water reservoir at the bottom, and then I'm going to put in my ice tray. I love to make the large bullet ice, which takes 7 minutes to make. It takes about 90 minutes to make a full tray of the bullet ice. You can actually make bullet ice and the clear ice at the same time. If it takes you 30 minutes to make the bullet ice, then it will just take you 30 minutes longer to make your clear ice. If you are like me and your freezer does not have an ice maker, I think the ice duo would be a good solution for you because you can constantly have ice being made easily and quickly. The ice duo would also be a solution for somebody traveling in an RV, or the ice duo would also be a good fit at an at-home bar. Now let's make this delicious cocktail. So let's start off making this strawberry whiskey smash with, of course, a strawberry and a little bit of spearmint. I have one fat strawberry here, and I am going to use a muddler to just mix the mint and the strawberry together. We really want to bring out the flavor of both of them. Then I am going to measure out 1.5 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. It would not be a whiskey smash without some whiskey. I'm going to use 3 ounces, but baby, if you want more, baby, use more. I'm not going to judge you, all right? Give your cocktail shaker a really good shake. Now I'm going to defrost my ice. Once all the blue bars are lit up, you know your ice is ready. I'm going to press the cube in the middle. That is going to activate the heating function. Once that cube in the middle stops beeping, you know that your ice has been thawed. It's going to take about 15 minutes for your ice to be ready to be released. I think the ice duo does a wonderful job at making beautiful clear ice. I feel like you can impress all your friends with this ice. If you don't want to use it right away, you can take your ice and stick it in the freezer, and that'll preserve it until you're ready to use it. I think the ice duo is a must for people that are whiskey or cocktail enthusiasts and just like that look of elegance in their cocktails. All I can say is once I start busting out the mint infused clear ice and the cocktail shakers, baby, you're not going to be able to tell me nothing, okay? You know this looks bougie. And then I'm going to throw in some strawberries too. Come on, you guys know that you want this cocktail so bad. In the description, I'm going to link to the Ice Duo's Kickstarter page, and when it's available on Amazon, I'm going to leave the link for you to get it there as well. Are you going to try this cocktail recipe? And let me know if you're going to try this mint infused clear ice made with the Ice Duo. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.